good morning everyone, and I'm here today to discuss about this Lab 2 activity of Sir Clint, the creational design, laboratory 1 recreational pattern. So you are tasked to build a game asset generation system for a small indie game studio. The studio needs to generate different types of game characters, weapons, and power-ups, but the developers are overwhelmed by messy results scattered everywhere in the code database. Your job is to implement multiple creational patterns to fix the and extend the system. So this exercise will be done in 3 sprints. The first sprint is to the factory battle. Implement the factory method that creates different types of game characters like warrior, mage, archer, and each character must have different attack styles. Extend the factory support to new characters without modifying existing code. The another sprint is the abstract arsenal. This expands the system by adding weapons, power-ups, use an abstract factory, the code, and the sprint tree is the ultimate refactor. So we have to choose any two patterns from the following to integrate the system. Single tone, builder, and prototype. So what I've done is I used both single tone and the builder method. So let's start with sprint 1. The factory method creates different type of game characters. So in my code, I have generated the user single transfer. In my code of characters, I have this the archer. I have different types of characters. I have archer, warrior, and mage. Wait for a sec. Having trouble with the screen recording. It's not much. So in my code, I have these three: archer, the mage, and the warrior. So that's one down. And each character must have different attack styles. So for I have different attack styles for my different types of character pod. So for example here, the warrior it performs a heavy slash. In mage is where's the attack style? It depends on the element. Then it casts a type of element. Then a bolt if it is a fire, if it's a fire bolt, if it is lightning bolt, something like that. Then for my archer, we have this piercing arrow. So that's it's an attack. Then for the next task, we have extend the factory to support the new character. So it's already extended pa kanina sa kuan. Uh, Here's the code. And the next one is abstract optional, expanding weapons and power ups. So here's aking code. We have here the power up class generated in abstract like here by abstract. Then same with the weapon. Then use abstract factory to group weapons and power ups by theme. So for example is the medieval and futuristic set. So here's a power ups. We have this health boost o mana boosts. And so weapons, we have this bow class stuff in na. Then the theme here we have the abstract. You have the futuristic theme class and the medieval. So in the futuristic class, we chose this laser blade something in unana gonna pagka design. While in the medieval is we have these different types of weapon to view God. Kay sa medieval theme factory is mo na ni siya ako ang panggamit na design kanila sa buong class. Then if kung sa futuristic we have this laser blade sa katong sa warrior, then plasma bow, then quantum stuff, yun na. And it is all combined sa kuan here, power up weapon sa abstract. Yeah. Then for sprint 3, we have to choose any two patterns. So what I have chosen is I chose the single tone and the builder. Wait, I have that here. Where did I place? So here single tone and also the builder. I use the builder to create the characters along with any other pakuan characters. The single tone is na diri it manages the game depending kung unsa tong mo ipang butang dito So for the front end of the game, mo na siyang example. So we have this medieval type of design, medieval type sa warrior kaning brown, medieval type sa mage, medieval type sa archer. And ang every type of character can handle different types of weapon. Like for example, ang warrior makagunit siya og sword, pwede siya maka-choose og maggunit og bow or staff baka mo kung unsa ang gusto niya. Sa mage, pwede staff, pwede sa bow, pwede sa sword. Then along with archer, same lang gyapon siya. Pwede sword, pwede bow, pwede staff. Then you can name the player pod depending kung unsa mo ang gusto. Let's just name this Sir Clint. Sir Clint. Then we also have his kanang power up niya which is the health boost or the mana boost. Ana, health boost or mana boost. Let's choose the mana boost. No, let's choose the health boost guy. Naman tayo optional dali to provide extra mana. Let's just say natin 10,000 extra mana. And yung element niya is fire. Nasa a class of fire. So let's choose the mage with the staff. Then first, we have to spawn the enemy. So nata enemy dire makita nato sa kilid. This one. Then we can spawn our player, Sir Clint. There you go. So ang stats ni Sir is nasa 150 HP, 10,000 mana, nasa fire element, staff, ug health boost. Then kani siya is nasa turn by turn god na type of game. So if we press this next turn, they both will generate ang attack depending kung unsa masakit. So as you can see here, the enemy mage is like nasa 129 damage to 129 HP left, and kang Sir Clint is at 126 HP. This just proves na masakit pa og damage ang ato ang enemy kumpara kang Sir Clint. To test that out, tanawon nato sa kalabasan. 108, 102, 781, 66, 58, 45, 28, 24, 15, and 30. So the winner is the enemy. And kana siya tanan ng mga damage is naka-check siya diri So first is di ba tong yung ganina is uh, spawn na to ang mage enemy. Then spawn na to si mage Sir Clint. Then first one to attack is mage Sir Clint. Cast a firebolt. Since ang ato amang element kanina is fire. So firebolt with the mana and damage of 21. While the mage enemy cast in arcane bolt. So mana 100 consumption and damage 24. Grabe na sir. So uh, that would be the completion of my lab 2. And kaya siyang clear arena is just to clear the arena to clear the stage and can generate another type of player. Oh, also the types of theme. Not a futuristic theme dari of the weapon and type of character. Then sa warrior, one siyang futuristic kanang design sa warrior, futuristic sa mage, and sa weapon is we have this futuristic theme sa sword, sa bow, and kito ganina sa staff. That would be all, and thank you.